Assalamu alaikum, I hope you are doing well. Thank you for your feedback. Today, I am with Lecture 2, your coach, Trainer Arsalan is with you. Today's topic is going to be very interesting. In the first lecture, we learned a lot about where we can make Amazon's account. What happens to Amazon? And I had cleared the basic concepts. And I told you that in the next lecture, I will tell you how Amazon can be used. We can do retail, purchase, wholesale, whatever happens, we will discuss it today. What are the business models on Amazon? After that, you have to decide whether you have to pick this path, this one, this one, this one. First of all, the basic models that are followed on Amazon are 3 to do business. Number 1, private label. Private label means that you launch your product, but you launch your brand. Number 2 is wholesale model. It happens in wholesale. Many people take wholesale in the wrong concept. I mean, wholesale means that we will sell our product in bulk. It doesn't happen. Wholesale means that we contact them on Amazon, we take permission from them that we want to resell your product on Amazon. If they give us permission, then we buy inventory from them and start selling it on Amazon. In this, our name doesn't exist anywhere. The existing brand that is already selling on Amazon, we go with it and join it and start selling our product. We start selling their product and our profit is coming to us. This model is called Amazon wholesale business. Let me explain again. In wholesale business, we sell someone's brand. In private label, we launch our brand. The third model is drop shipping. I don't recommend drop shipping on Amazon. Many people are earning well with the help of drop shipping. People are earning well with drop shipping on Amazon. But it is a little bit of a tension business. But it is beneficial on one end. It is a concept of drop shipping. If I tell you in easy words, it is that there is a seller. There is a buyer. You make your relation better with the seller and list his product on your Amazon account. You put it on your showcase in your shop. You say, I have this to sell. The customer comes to your shop and says, yes, I want this. You tell him, okay, wait. You buy it at that time and sell it. Means you don't have any stock. You don't have any inventory. The order came. You bought it. The order fulfilled. We call it drop shipping. Why is this so risky on Amazon? God has given it to the customer by shipping. The problem comes here. Amazon takes this very strictly. There are many other problems in drop shipping. If you want to do drop shipping, you should have 4-5 accounts. Because this problem comes here. Your account has been suspended. Because of any Amazon violation. So be very careful, we will discuss those. I will bring you to them. I recommend 2 models. Amazon private label and Amazon wholesale. I have told you a brief intro of Amazon PL, private label and wholesale. I will tell you some details about the requirements for these 2. So that you can decide whether I want to do Amazon private label or wholesale. Amazon private label. As the name suggests, private label. This is an intellectual property. It makes this brand and launches it in the market. First, you need patience. Profit margin is good but risk is more. If you haven't launched the product, you can come to the back end. Your investment risk is high. Many people select the private label but later they realize that there is no money in our product. This is a virtual assistant training. You need to have the knowledge of Amazon's private label and wholesale. Many people will come to Amazon and give me Amazon services. You should know what my client is expecting from me. Clients are coming to the market these days. They don't know that they want PL. You should know what my client is expecting from me. Because even today, clients are coming to market to say that they don't know that they want PL or VA for wholesale. First, you should ask them what they want to do. Do they want to do private label or wholesale? What is the point? Why is it private label? Why is it wholesale? When you have to explain to them in less time, then you can clear their concept without any delay. For private label, you need a good investment. How much investment do you need? I can't tell you the exact figure. Because your product is related to how much you sell your product. You are selling $2 and its investment will be different. You are selling $20 and its investment will be different. If we come towards wholesale, you don't need a big capital. You can start your work with $1,000 or $2,000. You have to find a good and profitable brand in this tough time. You should authorize the product and sell it. Because it is already sold and your monthly circulate. Private label is a patience work. What happens in private label first? We don't find the right product. We have to source it and then send it to Amazon warehouse. After sending it to Amazon warehouse, we have to launch it and manage PPC campaigns. You don't have to worry about this process. We will learn all this step by step in this course. So you have an idea of private label as a virtual assistant. You also found out about wholesale. How a virtual assistant will differentiate between the two. Now the next thing is term use. I have told you business model. Do you want to do wholesale on Amazon? Do you want to do private label or drop shipping? I don't recommend drop shipping. These two models are left. These two have to do with the amount of money in your pocket. There is no profit margin in wholesale. But there is a safe method. Your money doesn't die. And small amounts start. Private label is risky. But if you go, you will enjoy it. You feel this is a business. After that, you will find the model. Now when you will get orders, in any model, whether it is private label or wholesale, how will you fulfill those orders? We get two options on Amazon. Number 1, FBA. Number 2, FBM. Let's understand FBA first. Many people get confused about FBA only because of wholesale. Many people who sell their courses, they are called FBA wholesale. I will explain these two terms. FBA is in PL, FBA is in your wholesale. You have to understand what FBA is. FBA is a method through which we order the customer. For example, FBA's word is fulfillment by Amazon. This means that when you have to get orders, the responsibility of Amazon is to pick your product, pack it, and deliver it to the customer. If the customer has a problem with the product, then the refund is also the head of Amazon. He has to refund from our account. Plus, he has to handle the return and put it on the side of our inventory. As a stranded inventory, show it in the unfulfillable inventory kit. That this cannot sell your product, it is back. So, you understood that FBA is responsible for ordering the customer. How much responsibility do we have to take to sell the inventory in the warehouse of Amazon? After that, we have to check on the computer. How many orders have been made, what has been invented, how many have been sold, how much is our advertisement going on, how are the PPC campaigns going on, what is going on. So, the purpose of saying this is that order supply is your intention to end. Why in the FBA model? Fulfillment by Amazon. Whether you are wholesale or PL, you are getting orders in both ways. Now you have the option to fulfill those orders or do it yourself. The method we have seen so far is FBA. This is the method in which Amazon takes all the orders. Now let's come to the second method. The second method is FBM, which means fulfillment by merchant. FBM fulfillment by merchant. Who is merchant? We are merchant, who is selling, they are called merchant. The purpose of this is that when I get an order, it is my responsibility to pack it as per Amazon's directions. Then I should label it, I should paste the shipping label on it. After that, I should go to the office to fulfill the order. FBA is a model of fulfillment by Amazon. Whether you are wholesale or PL, you have two types of orders. You have the option to either fulfill or do it yourself. FBA is the method in which Amazon takes all the orders. Now let's come to the second method. FBM means fulfillment by merchant. FBM means fulfillment by merchant. Who is merchant? Who is a merchant? Who is a merchant? The purpose of this is that when I get an order, it is my responsibility to pack it as per Amazon's directions. Then I will label it, paste the shipping label on it. Then I will go to the office to fulfill the order I have done on the courier service. I will go to the office to get the parcel. Then the parcel owner will deliver the parcel to the customer. Now you will have a question. Can we do FBM while staying in Pakistan? FBM is not possible while staying in Pakistan. Technically it is possible but not feasible. Why not feasible? Being an online shopper, if you think that I want to do a shop, then what will I see? I will like to give orders to the customer in a short time. If you work in the USA market, then many people come to the market to take gifts for their customers. If they are not sure when their order will be delivered, then they will never buy the product. The advantage of FBA is that in FBA, Amazon gives you a tag of Amazon Prime. You can search on Amazon and find a lot of lists with the name Prime. This means that this product is in the warehouse of Amazon. Amazon is responsible for the customer's price. People like to buy Prime products as compared to FBM. FBM has more profits and it is very saving. If we are giving services to the FBA, then it is charging money and the fee. FBM is not charging the fee and it is our responsibility. We do not know the chances of making a mistake in FBM. If there are 1-2 orders, then you can handle them. When this order is 50, 60, 70, 100, then you will have to hire a staff. FBM is suitable for those who live in the country. For example, if you are selling in the US and you are sitting in the US, then I will recommend you to do both the work. You can do FBA, FBM, you can do FBM. You can do both the work. There is no problem in this. You can put a list as FBA. Then you can put a new list as FBM. So there is no problem in this. You can work on both the modes. But FBA is for those who are completely busy. They are at home all day. They say, let's keep ourselves busy. People who are doing jobs and get 2 hours of work from the part-time evening. They get 2 hours of work from the part-time evening. I will see what sales and inventory is left for Amazon. How are the PPC campaigns going? For them, FBA is the best method. And if we talk about the Pakistanis, then I recommend the Pakistanis to make FBA a model. Because they are sitting in Pakistan. They are sitting there. They will not be able to manage the order fulfillment. I hope you have understood all these things. Come to the comment section related to these questions. Today we have learned how many business models are available on Amazon. We have explained those business models a little. We have seen how much order we fulfill. We fulfill our customers' order when they are sold. Inshallah, our next lecture is going to be very important. Why? We will learn how to make accounts on Amazon. We have not discussed this yet. We have discussed how to make accounts. We have seen how many accounts can be opened in the market, how many business models are available on Amazon, and how many models are available to fulfill the customer's order. So, do not miss the next lecture. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we will see how to sign up the account on Amazon. Take good care of yourself.
Subscribe us.